Chelsea counted my teeth. I only have 10 teeth.
Over mine. Grandpa said he has 4 teeth.
You want some more pancake?
He's pretty
You
fast.
full of pancake? Are you all full?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about your ham?
You ate it, didn't it? Oh yeah, there's full. Here's ham right here. Look at that.
I want another banana.
Only monkeys eat bananas. Are you a monkey? I thought so.
Give me another banana. Please.
This one too soft?
Yeah, that one will go in a smoothie.
Please.
Please what?
Please. A banana he wants.
Nobody gonna share some of that banana with Clayton?
Monkey. I want more one.
You're really full of
I
banana.
want monkey.
You want a monkey?
Yeah.
There, put that in your nose.
Okay. That. There's flame right out.
Grandpa, will you help him?
You're so lucky. Baby on your nose. Skipper.
Okay.
Baby on your nose.
Let's see, Grandpa.
Skipper. Baby on your nose. Grandpa. Baby on your nose. Grandpa. That's what Clayton says. Baby on your nose. Grandpa.
So did you spend the night here?
Yeah.
Did you stay all night in your bed?
I mean, no.
About 4:30, I saw 2 little kids come wandering into our bedroom. What happened?
We went to the bathroom and where I was going.
Where'd you go?
In your bedroom.
And who was on our bed? And what little furry thing was on our bed?
Penny?
Yeah. Did he like that you came and cuddled with him?
Yes.
Are you done eating your banana?
Yeah.
You don't want no more? Why don't you peel it back? Peel your skin back. Yeah.
Okay. Cut like this. Here. Here. Here, Priya. Here, Priya.
Are you chewing with your mouth shut? Very good. Grandma's making a movie of you. I'll show it to you when you're 18 years old, okay? Good morning. Good morning.
Clink, clink, dog, 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 dog.